Hey everybody, welcome back to Bones and Brews. It is a absolutely beautiful fall day here in St. Louis. We had some colder temperatures early this week, so I am enjoying some nice warmer temperatures today. We are going to get ready for the fall and autumn as we move into Thanksgiving season with a little twist on turkey today. We're going to do smoked turkey wings. First, we're going to make that brine that we need for those turkey wings. Let those turkey wings sit in that brine for a little bit, and then we'll throw them on the smoker. So let me show you how we're going to make that brine first. So first we're going to start, got my pot here going, about 4 cups of water. And then I've got about 2 cups of apple juice. And then I'm going to throw in some salt, some dark brown sugar, and I'm going to go just tap in about a teaspoon of paprika. And then I've got myself some rosemary and a bay leaf. I'm going to throw that in a pot. I'm going to let this get warm, let the brown sugar and that salt and everything dissolve in the pot, and then we're going to come back, pull it off the hot iron here, and we will get those turkey legs going. As I look into the pot, things are starting to dissolve. So we're also going to add in a stout beer. I've got 16 ounces here of a stout beer. We pour that in there nice and dark. We are Bones and Brews, so it's nothing better than cooking with beer, brining with beer, drinking some beer while we're barbecuing. We'll find any time for a cold beer. But that, my friends, so now we're going to let that warm inside of there as well before we get ready to pull it off and add those turkey legs and let those turkey legs sit in that brine. All right, so our brine is ready to go. I've actually turned it off so I can let it cool for a few minutes first, because when I pour that brine over those turkey wings, I don't want that hot brine to start cooking those wings down, because I want to actually put them in the refrigerator and let them sit in that brine a little bit first. So I got myself 4 really nice fat turkey wings here. I'm going to place them in my bowl. And then we're going to take that brine, and I'm just going to pour that brine right inside the bowl over top of those turkey wings. Keep the bay leaf in there. I'm going to keep that rosemary in there as well. We'll remove that later on. That'll pretty much cover what we got there. So we're going to take this inside, throw it in the refrigerator between 2 and 4 hours. You could even do it the night before. I wouldn't leave it in there probably more than 6 to 8 hours, to be honest, if you're making turkey wings or turkey legs like this. Turkey wings. I want to say legs. Wings. So we'll throw that in the refrigerator. While it's in the refrigerator, it gives me time to get my smoker fired up, get everything cleaned up out here in the outdoor kitchen, and then we'll start throwing these bad boys on the old Weber Smoky Mountain. All right, everybody, it is time to get rolling with these turkey wings. So I just pulled them out of the refrigerator. They were in there for about 3 hours sitting in that brine. Get my gloves on here, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some paper towels here as I pull those wings off. And just kind of pat them down a little bit. Get a little bit of that moisture off those wings. Don't want that bay leaf to go for the ride either there. Whew. You can still smell that stout beer in here. It smells really good. Just a little bit of that hint of that rosemary as well. All right, go ahead and kind of give them just a little light patting here. I'm not trying to get them completely dry or anything, but I do want to get a little bit of that moisture off of there. I've got my Weber Smoky Mountain going at 250 degrees. I've got some applewood on there. Anytime I'm making turkey on my smoker, I love using applewood. It just for that poultry, that turkey, it really is the best, especially come Thanksgiving time, trust me. All right, so I'm going to take these on, get them on the smoker real quick here, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Well, I'm putting these on a smoker, so what we're going to do is once they're on the smoker, we're going to make ourselves a little bit of a mixture that we can keep brushing on top of the turkey wings. Get this mess out of the way. All right. So now we got the wings on there. I'm looking to go with an internal temperature of 165 degrees in those turkey wings. I don't want to overcook them at all, that's for sure. Even though they're still in the bone, I do not want them to dry out. And in order to help keep them from drying out and do something a little fun with the skin on the top of it as well, got myself a little bit of butter here I'm going to put in my pan. And I've chopped up some more rosemary. Just lay that across that butter. And what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to sit this on the smoker so it starts to melt a little bit. And then I'll come in every once in a while, grab a little bit of that butter, rosemary mixture, and just brush it on those turkey wings until they're completely done. So let's get this on the smoker and get it warmed as well. All right, everybody. We've got the turkey wings off of the smoker. Look how golden brown those look from that brine. They're absolutely beautiful right now. So anytime I'm making turkey on the smoker, I really enjoy putting a little bit of Alabama white sauce on there. Sometimes I make my own sauce. Also, locally here in St. Louis, a place called Beer Sauce Shop, they've partnered up with Duke's Barbecue, not Duke's mayo sauce, but Duke's Barbecue here locally as well, to make an Alabama white sauce. So I'm going to use theirs today, and we're going to put some of that across. We're going to just put some right across that turkey. Oh yeah, perfect. So now we've got that drizzled across that turkey. Look how beautiful that looks, everybody. Oh yeah. All right, so then we're gonna let that sit for just a second, and then we're gonna come back and give it a taste test. I can't wait to give it a taste test. Okay, everybody, it's time to give it that taste test here. That sauce is sitting on it. This is, it's so beautiful and gorgeous. I don't even know if I want to take a piece off of here before I take it in the house and show it to the family, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna break behind that skin. Oh, that skin is easy and crispy to get off there. Still nice and warm on the inside as well. Pull myself a little piece off there. Oh. Okay, I can tell it was in that brine. Absolutely delicious. It's not dried out at all. Nice and moist all the way through the piece of turkey. Sometimes you worry about like a wing like that, it's going to dry out really quickly. It did not, and I can tell that brine is still in there. I get a little hint of that stout, to be honest. Still, it's absolutely delicious, and I'm sure that stout and that brine is what gave it that golden look across the top as well. My gosh, you guys, this is absolutely delicious. Kind of a cool way to do turkey with the turkey wings instead of making a whole turkey. Everybody can kind of have one on their own plate and kind of pick from it. Eliminates lots of leftovers, which sometimes we never get to eat afterwards, especially when Thanksgiving. We just let it sit in the refrigerator, forget about it, or we're tired of turkey after the first day. So this is a great way to do things as well. Great way to present it as well with that Alabama white sauce. You can buy your own white sauce. We have a recipe as well. I'll have the link for that in our description as well for you, that we've made our own Alabama white sauce, so you can check it out. This, you guys, you're going to love this smoked turkey wings. Bones and Brews Barbecue. Thanks for watching us. For those of you who have subscribed, we really truly appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We'll see you guys again next time.